Today's workers need the best tools to do their job. Safer, faster, smarter. Luckily, every worker already has the best tools, a pair of hands. Today's industrial workers juggle lots of devices. Yet, out there on the job, sometimes they need a third hand to hold a flashlight, manuals, some tools. RealWear aims to free your hands with the world's first completely hands-free Android tablet. Head-mounted with plenty of room to use with a safety helmet and glasses. With both hands free, it's just a safer, faster, and smarter way to get the job done. Designed for the most demanding of industrial environments, rugged enough for military use. Use simple voice commands, even in loud industrial environments. With hands-free, real-time collaboration, remote experts can see what the field worker sees. Solve problems, prevent mistakes, coach a worker through a new procedure, and record it for training videos. The results and cost savings speak for themselves. The RealWear HMT1. Free your hands.